You have been told never to boost post on Facebook and Instagram, but always use the ad manager. Then this video is for you. Don't skip. Watch it the end to get the juice. So I've heard this 1,000 times and more, and it's really incomplete. Boosting is not the enemy. Ignorance is actually the enemy. Yes, I've watched businesses burn 500K, a million and more in ads manager with zero sales because they were chasing complexity they didn't understand. I've also watched businesses make millions of naira from a boosted post because they understood three things. So the first thing is that the right target audience helps your ad deliver right. You send the ad to the right set of people and then you will get the right result. The second one is that they use the right budget. Your competitors are using 20K, they are using 10K. You have decided to use 2K and you are waiting to get their result. It will not happen. Meta is not stupid. Do you understand? The right creative is the third one, not a flyer, not just order now, no CTA. You just try to say you want to make a fine post and at the end of the day, nothing. When do you need the ad manager exactly? When you are running multi-step funnels, when you are doing pixel tracking and retargeting, when you are trying to do A/B testing, testing two creatives to see which one works better. That is when you need the ad manager. But this is what the gurus and the the coaches will not tell you. A boosted post done right beats an ad manager campaign done wrong. So don't let complexity impress you, let the result impress you. If you are spending on meta ads and you are not sure if it is working, whether it's you are boosting the post, whether you are using ad manager, just send us a DM or comment audit under this post. We will show you exactly where your money is going and how you can get it back. I hope you understand, because everybody keeps saying don't boost posts, ditch boosting posts. Instagram that put the features there, Facebook that put the features there, they know what they are doing. So if somebody is now saying don't use it at all, it means that they probably don't understand how it works, or they are trying to push you into their own knowledge zone, and at the end of the day you might not have that knowledge, and at the end of the day you are the one losing money, not them. So if you run ads from ad manager and you don't understand it, who lost the money? You, not the coach, not the advertiser. So if you need help, send us a DM. Please tag a business owner that needs to see this, tag advertisers that need to see this, tag coaches that need to see this. Let them comment in the comment section if I am actually right or wrong. Boosting post is not the enemy, ignorance is. Have a great day, guys. Bye.